Hi, I am Azharuddin. In this video, we'll be seeing about the Black & Decker cordless drill drive 12 volts, which I bought it from Amazon, which cost me 2,599. The current price would be 3,400 plus. I bought it during the Amazon Prime Day sale, which was very cheap, so I got it for that 2,599 price. Whereas the actual price would be a 4,635. The box contains one cordless drill drive, one battery, one charger, 50 number accessory box. So let's see what's inside this box. So first we have a cordless drill drive, which is 12 volts. You can see there is no wire connection in it, which has a detachable battery of 12 volts. Then we have a Black & Decker 50 number accessory kit box. Then we get a charger for the battery and battery holder Black & Decker. Now this cordless drill drive has a multi-torque clutch. The torque clutch has 17 settings where maximum torque is 13 Newton meter, where you can see it has a numbering which we can rotate and set the torque. For the lowest torque we can go for the wood. If you have different metals, we will change it to the higher torque, which they have numbered as 8, and there is 8.5. And then at the end you can see this symbol is for the screw driving. At the end we can keep, and for the screw driving we can use it. And there is a keyless chuck where we can manually rotate or to tighten the grip the drilled bit or the screw bit. And then by also we can just grip this chuck and rotate so that it can move up and down for the screw or the screw drive grip. And we have a variable speed control. We can change it to the forward or the reverse by pushing it to the extreme end, right or left. And then when we position it to the center, the key would be locked. So when we are not in use, we can just push it to the center and lock the key, so accidentally it doesn't run. And there is a double-sided screw bit which will get handy when we need during this doing any woodwork or any screw driving. We just take it out and just grip tighten it and use it. And the battery is a 12 volt nickel cadmium battery. 12 volts nickel cadmium battery, which is of 1.3 amps. Whereas when we speak about this battery, as I said, it is a nickel cadmium. So latest all the drill drives are coming with the lithium ion battery, which is more efficient, which would last longer than this battery. Whereas this battery is of 1.3 amps. And more of other brands, you can see the Bosch or the DeWalt, other things they have 1.52 amps. And I would recommend to, if you are buying a drill drive, I would recommend to go for the lithium ion battery, which will be more last longing. Whereas I bought this because of it was a cheap I got it for 2,600, which other brands I won't get. So for a while I can use this, and then I can go for other brands. If you want to buy lithium ion battery I would recommend for the Bosch, which you can it can be for the 3,900, and the link is in the description. You can check all other links are given, the Stanley, DeWalt, Makita. And whereas this DeWalt Black & Decker, which is RPM is of 550 RPM, as mentioned in the box, which is 550 RPM. The 550 RPM is very less. All other brands which we can see starting with 750 or 1000, whereas normal electric drill, which will be of around 2000, which will be above 2000 RPM. As you can see, it rotates in 2000 RPM and has two settings in it. where we can just change the settings. This electric would be used handy for the metals, whereas this one is not that good for the metals. It can drill, but it will be taking a lot of time, and it may get heated and burnt as well. So I would not recommend to use it for the metal. Only for the wood I can recommend, and even certain kind of plastics. I bought is this particularly only to use for the wood, for the driving the screw drives. Now let's see what's inside this 50 accessory kit box. So 50 accessory in this 50 kit box will get 4 wooden spades, which is for drilling larger holes in the wood, and then we have 20 number of 25 drill drives, and then there is a 4 nut drives, and there is 4 wooden drill bits, which is in black color, and there are 1.5 to 6 of high speed drill bits, which will be used for the metal, wood, plastic as well. And then we have 350 drill drives. There is a magnetic holder for the drill drives, and at last we have a screw finder. The screw finder's purpose is to hold the screws, hold the longer screws. So this screw drive is screw finder is plastic, which will, inside there will be a spring in it. Now let's use this for let's see how it works for driving the screw in the wood. So I have one. I have this wooden piece, circular wooden piece, and there is I have got a screw. Let's see how it drives the screw in this wood. So you can see that it is easily drilled, means the screw is entered to the wood, and just we can change this variable speed controller, and just we can use it to remove the screw out. In wood it is easier to drill as well as drive a screw, whereas in the metal this one which is not that handy. I tried with this in the drilling in the metal, where it was difficult. It was taking a lot of time to remove the metal from the metal, which is from using the drill bit, which is difficult to remove the metal. It was taking a lot of time, and it was getting heated up. This was getting heated up. You can check the clip. So when I bought this, I saw some reviews where people were saying this was not drilling to the RCC or the wall. So this drill is just an impact. This is not an impact drive. This is just a drill drive, which is just drills to the wood or plastic or metal. When we need to drill a hole in a RCC or a cement block, or the wooden or cement block or any brick block, then what we need is a hammer drill. You can see this is a hammer drill. This drill is specially for the RCC or the wooden for the RCC, for the brick block or the concrete block. So if you like this video, please do give a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more DIY stuff, more furniture stuff. Thank you for watching.